welcome to my channel ABI, Abacus and Vedic Math. So kids, today I am going to tell you what is Abacus. So first of all, let me know, do you like maths? Give your answer in comment. Yes, very good. So you like maths. So today, first of all, okay, so tell me how much you can count with your fingers using your both hands. I know your answer will be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, right. Only 10 you can count, but today I am going to tell you that we can count up to 99 with our fingers. 99. Yes, you have listened correctly. We are going to count 99 using our fingers. Isn't it amazing? Right. So let's start. Open your right hand and make 1, 2, 3, 4. Now say, ma'am, this is normally. Yeah, I know. This is normally up to 4. We count normally. But now we are going to learn something new for the next number. So, how to make 5 here? Like this. No. To make 5, we have to close the fingers and open the thumb. Our thumb has a value of 5. Right. Our finger has a value of 1 and our thumb has a value of 5. Good. 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, so once more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close your finger and open thumb. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, no more finger is left on right hand. So, how do we normally write 10 in maths? 1 left side and 0 on the right side. So, same like this, we have to make it 0 and open our one finger on the left hand. So, this is 1, 0, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Again, make 15 here, close the finger and open the thumb. This is 1, 5, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and after 19 again make it 0 and open one finger on the left hand. 20, 0, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and after 24 close the fingers and open the thumb. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Make it 0 and open one more finger here. This is 3, 0, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 and after 34 close the finger and open the thumb. 3, 5, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and after 39 make it 0 and open one more finger here. This is 4, 0, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Make it 0, close the finger and open thumb on the left hand. This is 5 and 0, 50, 6 and 0, 60, 7 and 0, 70, 8 and 0, 80, 9 and 0, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. So 99 is completed. I told you that today we are going to learn 99 with our fingers and we have learned it. So we'll continue in next class. If you like my video, then like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.